Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check this out. 2026 Brinkley Air 310, and it's offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. And we'll get inside here in a moment. Do want to show you the great looking wheel and tire setup. And also there is rear storage, which some people think, okay, no big deal. To me, it's perfect. You got your trailer hitch right here. So you may want to keep some tools, gloves, towels. You can keep a lot in there that really comes in handy if you don't have a trailer, or if you are pulling a trailer and you need extra items. Let's step up inside. Right when we walk in, we have our panel for our lighting. And check this out. So you have your four position desk / eating area, your theater seating, fold out bed, fireplace, televator, great looking oven and cooktop setup, microwave oven, center island, which is very attractive. I gotta show off. I do like the way Brinkley sets things up. The attention to detail that they bring is just amazing. So we have a French door, refrigerator, freezer. We have a beautiful pantry, additional cabinets here, and when I say cabinets, wait till you see the bedroom. Bathroom, plenty of cabinet space, exhaust fan, nice size shower. Now look at this. Let's just, for the heck of it, between cabinets and drawers. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 13 there. So we have 7 here. That's 20. You have 23, 25, 26, 27. And then you have underbed storage. So if you run out of storage space in the bedroom, you've got too much stuff. 27 places plus underneath the bed. So just a plethora of storage space. So again, it's the 2026 Brinkley Air 310. And as I mentioned, offered by Bill Thomas Camper Sales, Wentzville, Missouri. Link below for new, used, service, and parts. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.